one, Tart cherry is going to help decrease those uric acid levels. It also helps flush the kidney and the liver, which is very important. A lot of the time when I'm starting to have pain and inflammation, it's because everything's getting backed up and congested in my body. Suffering with uric acid, gout, different things, kidney issues, urinary tract issues, all the things that go along with bladder problems, baby, let me lock you in. The reason I started taking this is I started having some UTIs. Now, it's very interesting. When you're high in uric acid, when you have a lot of acid in your body, you become acidic, you have more pain, more inflammation. This also has turmeric. Turmeric has been great for me to decrease pain and inflammation. The other thing is that I was getting really puffy with some other supplements I was taking, and the way I can check my puffiness is by my rings. If I can slide my rings, that's how I know that my body is not as inflamed, I'm on the right track. That has turmeric in there. Moringa gives in energy, and cranberry has cranberry has what we call D-mannose. D-mannose is actually what comes into the kidneys and the liver, into the bladder, and does not allow E. coli to sequester. So if you have a lot of UTIs, you have a lot of kidney pain, you feel like sometimes your back is hurting and you don't know why, this is going to play a role, right? Uric acid, yes, it's going to cause gout, your toe may be hurting, but why are we waiting for our toe to hurt when we already know something is going on? This has pomegranate, it also has beetroot. Beetroot has nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is really, really amazing. Yes, when we think of nitric oxide, men think of their performance in the bedroom. It's not just that. Nitric oxide actually helps with circulation. That means less puffiness, like I was saying. At the end of the day, my ankles aren't swollen, my body is not puffy. This is so, so helpful when it comes to just flushing everything out of your body. A lot of the times that you're struggling, you're looking for just one supplement, and that is why this is a combination, right? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gosh, there's probably about 12 different supplements in here, and then all of these foundational pieces, right? As nerdy as it sounds, when you're deficient on vitamin A, B, C, D3, K2, if you don't have the foundation, you're gonna stay acidic, you're gonna keep having pain. The other thing I will say about this is it has alpha lipoic acid. It also has some turmeric and black pepper, right? So the turmeric and black pepper are gonna decrease the inflammation. Alpha lipoic acid, as nerdy as it sounds, it is anti-aging, it is longevity, right? So when you're super inflamed, you may not know it, but you are actually aging your body a lot quicker. So if you deal with a lot of pain and inflammation, you have gout, you have chronic systemic inflammation, you deal with stuff like maybe endometriosis, fibromyalgia, lupus, all of these things that just have your body on fire all day and your kidneys and your bladder are suffering, this is what you're